an African-focused oil exploration company, and we've been hugely successful in Senegal, offshore West Africa. So we are predominantly an oil exploration company, so our business is in exploring for oil and finding it. And once we find oil, we have options to bring partners in to help us fund the cost of either evaluating the oil discoveries we've made or in moving forward into development. Our major customers, or we call them our stakeholders really, are our shareholders, the government of Senegal, well, the governments in the countries in which we operate. We have another large project in the Gambia as well. I think I'd like to really just sum up by saying that the old metrics of supply and demand really don't apply so much today to the oil price. We have a lot more inventories that are being built and then consumed, and so that affects the oil price going forward. We have a lot more financial instruments that are relying on oil, so the straight supply and demand that dictates the oil price doesn't really apply as much as it used to. So we have two key projects at the moment. So we're a company really of two halves. We have a project that is a mature project that's heading towards development offshore Senegal, and that is a 600-odd million barrel oil field that we are a 15% partner in. The other arm of our company is all about repeating the success we've had in Senegal, and we have an exploration project in the Gambia. And we'll be drilling the first well, deep water oil well offshore the Gambia in 2018, at the end of this year. So our business is small and nimble. We also form very strong and good relationships with the governments in the countries in which we operate, and we pride ourselves on that. So we believe they're our competitive advantages. I'm a geophysicist by background. We think that by making a huge discovery offshore Senegal, it's a long-term producing asset. And then we hope to be building on that strong asset we have in Senegal by making more discoveries in and around the region. In our industry, for a frontier exploration well, you would generally look at a 1 in 10 chance of success of finding oil. You have to weigh up the risks of backing a company that's in that marketplace.